Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Proctor, and today we're going to be talking about ethical considerations when creating data visualizations. And so this example shows how visual tricks can make data look misleading. An example of that is if the vertical axis or the y-axis of a chart is cut off or starts from a number higher than 0. And this can actually make small differences in data look a lot bigger than what they actually are. And this can trick viewers into thinking that there are huge changes or issues when there might be very small or little changes. And to avoid misleading people, it's important to present data honestly and accurately without using any types of deceptive techniques. And so we're going to be using an NBA player's points per game across 4 seasons as an example. So this is from 2020 to 2023, and their points per game ranges from 24 to 26, which is very small differences in performance over these 4 seasons. We're going to instantiate the data frame for the player stats based on these two arrays. We're going to develop a subplot to contrast ethical and unethical visuals. So for the first chart, or the first bar chart, it's going to be to represent ethical an ethical data representation that starts at 0 on the y-axis, and we're going to do that by setting the y-axis view limits from 0 to 30. For the second bar chart, this is going to be an unethical version where we truncate on the y-axis, and so we're going to set the y-axis view limits from 24 to 27, and then we're going to display the plots. So in this first chart, the vertical axis starts at 0, showing the player's points per game over four seasons in a clear and accurate way. And you can see that the changes in these performances over these seasons is very small. And in the second chart, the y-axis starts at 24 points per game instead of 0, and this makes the differences between the seasons look a lot larger than what they actually are, and can trick viewers into thinking that the player's performance changed a lot more than what it actually did. An example is from 2022 to 2023, it looks like the player's performance dropped drastically, when in reality they've been playing pretty consistent over the course of these 4 years. And so, to avoid tricking or misleading people, it's important to present data honestly and accurately without using this deceptive technique of truncating on the y-axis. Thank you.